Hey guys, Arexo here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm still here at DiverCity Tokyo Plaza in Odaiba. And as a collector, I wanted to explore what else this place has to offer beyond the Gundam Base. If you haven't seen my previous video where I covered the Gundam Base Tokyo in detail, make sure to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. For my first stop, we're heading to the Godzilla Store, located on the 5th floor. This place is a paradise for Godzilla fans. It's packed with figures, keychains, and all sorts of collectibles. There's even a massive gacha machine waiting for you to try your luck. You'll also find some really cool villain-themed items. And even these awesome papercraft Godzilla models called Tiny Flats. They're priced at 2,750 yen for the white version and 3,300 yen for the black one. If you happen to buy a figure, there's a mini photo studio right inside the store where you can take awesome photos of your new collectible in a diorama setup. And if you want to bring a little Godzilla flair into your everyday life, they've got mugs, tumblers, and bowls. Even fashion items inspired by the King of Monsters himself. They've even got postcards and posters for collectors. Heading next, I stopped by Popmart. If I'm not mistaken, there are only 3 Popmart stores in Tokyo. One in Harajuku, one in Ikebukuro, and this one here in Odaiba. They've got a wide range of blind boxes and figures that you might want to check out. Prices range from about 1,000 to 4,000 yen. I'm a big fan of Kubo, so I couldn't resist grabbing a box. And while I was at it, I also picked up 2 boxes of Hirono cloth. Here's what I got. For our final stop, we're checking out Lashinbang, a store known for selling anime figures and Gunpla model kits. You'll find shelves packed with figures from One Piece, Dragon Ball, Jujutsu Kaisen, My Hero Academia, Chainsaw Man, Hunter x Hunter, Spy Family, Demon Slayer, and plenty more. And of course, the reason most of us come to Japan, Gunpla. I spotted an HG Messer type here for 4,480 yen. They've also got some premium kits like this P-Bandai Heavy Arms Endless Waltz version for 18,000 yen. And the P-Bandai Testament Gundam for 9,980 yen. If you're hunting for P-Bandai kits or rare models, definitely stop by this store. You might just find that one kit you've been searching for. And that wraps up today's video here at DiverCity Tokyo Plaza. If you enjoyed exploring these stores with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Let me know which store you'd visit first. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is Arexu. See you in the next video.